of all, we will take a pot and some tissue paper and we will put it. We need to take a lot because this is a big pot. Now we will put some soil.
Okay.
Look, this is the soil.
Okay.
And we will put it like slowly, not fast, or it will go anywhere.
Okay.
And put the lid here. Then take the mold and put That
Okay,
put
now
us
I
off.
think this is enough.
Now you need to open the seed.
Can you show me which seeds are you using? Can you show the bottle?
Look.
Okay. These are sunflower seeds.
Yes. And not too much.
Okay.
And it can get long.
Now?
Not. You can take 2 or 3 if you want. I am taking. This is the. I'm taking.
Can you show me the seeds?
I'll show you.
Okay. Okay. Nice.
We are planting 8 seeds.
8? 8 will be too much. I think 4 are enough for this.
I am planting 5.
Okay, you wish you can plant 5, but I think 4 will be more than enough. Okay, now begin.
1.
So you are keeping them in corners, okay?
Yes.
4 corners, not together.
And a bit 4 are enough.
Okay, now what we are going to do?
Now we will cover them with
More
some
soil. Okay, I'll help you, okay?
I will put this. That is enough.
No, it should be full at least.
Why?
Because they need some soil to grow.
Not too much soil.
No, it's not too much. You just have to fill it up.
Why?
Because I've read somewhere that they need to be at least 6 inches below the soil.
Look. Now put.
Fill it.
Now put. And put. And here let us scoop and put.
You want my help? You want my help?
No.
Okay.
I did it to. I make soil. I don't make. That's from my plants.
Oh, you've got this soil from your older plants.
Yes.
You've taken it out.
Yes.
Very clever.
Now you have put one more. This is not filled, so you will put one more. This is enough.
Okay. I don't think this is enough. We can put 1 or 2 scoops more.
Just one plant. This is
You're left with some more soil, na? Put the whole thing.
why?
It's not too much.
Why?
Now what we are going to do? Now your pot is full.
Now I have put some water.
Little water, not so much. We should actually use a spray, you know. But I think this is enough.
Yes, this is. I will get.
So we've sown seeds in 3 pots, right?
Yes. Actually, we have 4, but we have just planted 11 trees.